45.678. Okay. The question here is number one. I'm going to read this. This content. The teachers understand the real number system, structure, operation, and algorithm and representation. So this problem has a 14%. Okay. This is the big decimal here. From here, everything with TH. What does it mean? It's divided by 100s. Okay, divided by 100s. Okay, so the question: which digit is 100s placed in 45.678? Okay, let me start with this part here. So this is tenths, remember tenths, but THS. Okay, okay, tenths. This is hundreds. This is thousands. Remember, THS after the decimal point. Well, if you remember, this is your ones, and this is your tens. This is the whole number. Okay, now the question, which digit is hundreds placed in 45.678? What do you think is the answer? They're talking about 100.
7.
7 is the answer. You're right. Not difficult. No, not difficult. Just maybe to remind you that this is okay. So that's the answer. Good?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
All right. Let's go with the next question. All right. Scientific notation. I guess I'm going to do the same thing. Oh, man. I need to do this. I don't know why my pen is not working, but it's okay. All right. Well, let's read the competency. The teacher understands the real number system and its structure, operation, algorithm, and representation. It's still 001, competency 001, okay? Oh, man, happened. Okay. Okay. Now, this is easy too. Okay. What you need to do is your conceptual understanding. Okay. The conceptual understanding here, like I said earlier, conceptual understanding is you know what's your goal. Okay. But your procedural fluency, it's your process. Okay. Do not focus on the process. Focus on your conceptual understanding. Your goal here, we call this two, the digits. Your goal is to make this decimal, to move it to after the first non-zero digit. Okay, the first non-zero digit. A number that is not zero. After that, so you're going to move that decimal there. Okay, that's basically the understanding we need to understand, the goal. Okay, help me out here. Help me out. Okay, because I'm doing this for a long time. Okay, now we have 0.000. Okay. No. That's bad. Let me make it space. 0.00032. Here we go. My digit right now, my decimal is here. My goal is to make it here. The first after the first non-zero digit. Okay? Are we good with that?
Yes.
All right. Now, I want you to do it. How many times do you think I need to jump to make it here?
4.
4. Okay? So, it means, this means I need a negative 4. This is not the x-intercept, the Cartesian plane. No? We're not talking about moving to the right is positive, must be positive, moving to the left. It's not like that, okay? Your goal is to make it there, 4, okay? So now, you said 4. Look at the choices there, A, B, C, D. Which if you move 4, what do you think is the answer? A, B, C, or D? I won't
D.
give you the answer right now. I want you to think about it.
B.
B is the answer. Okay? Is that difficult?
No.
So now, once you move there, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is written in this form, times 10 to the negative 4. This means this is the number of jump. I put number of jump you did. You good?
Yeah.
Not that difficult, right?
No.
All right, good, good, good. All right, let's go on with the next question. Here we go. Hold on. Let me move this here. I don't want to see my pic. I don't want to see my picture there. I feel okay. All right. Next here is question number 3. Oh, this one here you need to understand. Okay. There's not a mathematical. It's not mathematical. It's a theory. Okay. Algorithm. Okay. Which of the following? Did I screenshot this? No. There's a question there. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Here we go. Which of the following is an identity element of addition in real numbers? Okay. So this is a theory. Okay. You need to understand the theory. What are the theories? Like identity element, let's say distributive property, this associative property, what else? Commutative property. These are this, okay? They're asking us what is the identity element. So can you give me a number, Anna? Any number, please.
5.
5. Okay. If I said 5 is equals to 5, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that their identity, they're identical, they are the same, okay? Now, think of a number. If you add, they said, identity in addition. They said in addition. If you add is equals to 5, think of a number.
0.
There you go. You did the answer there. 0. Okay, the answer is 0. Now, what's this? The identity element. It's a formula. It's a theory. It's any number plus 0 is equals to that number. Okay, take note about that. That's the identity number. It happens that they said addition, okay, but it can be a subtraction also. So another identity number, if it's subtraction, this is how it looks like. Any number minus 0 is the same number. I'll use the same number here. If I put 5 minus 0, tell me what's 5 minus 0.
5.
So it means it's still the same. 5 equals to 5. That's what they call identity number. Not that difficult. Again, this one it's a principle of mathematics. Okay? Good?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Let's get it on. I feel bad. No, I'm not prepared. I guess my pen is not working. I don't know why. No, but I hope you don't mind it. No.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, I usually use this. No, I just used this 2 days ago.
Mhm.
Here we go. Well, it says question number 4, but okay. Which is the closest to an under? Huh. Which is set close to under multiplication? Okay, that's fine. Let's talk about this. Actually, let's talk about each one of these so you understand, okay? Do you remember the word integers in the past, Anna?
Integers, yes.
Okay. Can you give me any type of integers? Any
Like
number?
it's like a 6.
6, okay? Any number, actually. Let's put it this way. Let's start, you said 6, no? Integers. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are integers. Okay?
Mhm.
Any number, either positive or negative, is integers. Now, add integers, of course, I'm going to use that number. Add integers, I'm going to use this, okay? We'll just use here. -5, -3, -1, 1, 2. Oh, no, not 2. That's even. 3, and 5. Natural numbers. Natural number is a physical number, no? Counting number. Okay, let me write that here. Let's change the color. Natural number is counting number. What's this? Counting number are the one you physically you can how can I say? Use your hand and count. Hold on for a while, okay? There you go. Use your hands and count, okay? But there's no, in counting number, there is no negative sign. There's no zero, okay? Because you cannot count zero. Zero, it's like counting numbers physically can count. So counting number starts from 1. That's how you count, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Everything that you can count, okay? Okay, are we good with that?
Yes.
Whole number, here we go. I'm changing this color here. Whole number starts from 0. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the question here, which is set is closed under multiplication? Only counting numbers. Okay? I cannot, so the answer here is C. The reason is 0 is, we can count, no? Set closed under multiplication. Any counting numbers, if you multiply by that number, you will get an answer. Give me 2 numbers, ma'am.
8 times
Again?
9.
9 and
8.
2 and 9 and 8. So you multiply that. What do you think? What's 9 times 8?
7.
70?
72.
72. Positive, right? But
Yes.
if you do 9 times 0, it's still 9. 0 is 0. No? 9 times 0 is 0. So that's why this is tricky, because this is also a whole number, but this one has a 0. Okay, so the answer is natural numbers. So 0 times 9 is 0, or 0 times 7, or 0 times 8 is 0. Okay, we're talking about a close to under multiplication. All right, very good.
Yes.
Answers letter C. If you notice, I'm not only teaching the math. No, I'm also teaching some theory, because the question, this is part of number concept. All right, next is, okay, easy. You're allowed to use calculator. What do you think is the answer here? Do not overthink this. Your goal is to make it to decimal. I want you to do it for me. Do you have calculator with you right now?
Yes.
Okay, please do it for me. I know the answer. But I want you to do it. This is like I said, conceptual understanding. They said, I cannot do it.
3.75. 0.375.
There you go. Yeah, there you go. What I'm saying here, look at the question carefully. The teacher understand the real number system structure, okay? The question is, they said convert this to just decimal.